tempo, loving every ride. Theme park tempo, feel the thrill inside. Feel the tempo, stream it every night. Theme park tempo, stop me, ride the light.
And a good day, ladies and gentlemen, from Theme Park Tempo, back at it again today from my desk of all places. And unfortunately, it's very cold, and my theme park options, besides American Dream, are pretty much zero at the time being. However, though, Six Flags Great Adventures opening day is just a little over a month away, so definitely going to be checking that out. Not sure if it's going to be opening day, but definitely opening weekend or week for sure. Super excited for that. The park is expected to open with flashes for vertical velocity, so definitely excited for the new credit coming to the park. I'm here today, though, guys, from my desk of all places again to actually talk again about Six Flags Great Adventure and talk about what's coming next. I've been talking about Kingda a lot lately, and unfortunately it's going down for a controlled implosion. Just within the next 2 weeks, actually. So, we've been promised a world record-breaking coaster from the park that's coming in place. Both Green Lantern and Kingda are going to be kapooted 86th, no more. So what I did, I took the exact square footage of both coasters, Kingda and Green Lantern, put them up to Planet Coaster 2, and built what, in my opinion, is a world record-breaking coaster, and what I believe the park desperately needs, and that's an Intamin Blitz coaster. It is the world's tallest and fastest Intamin Blitz coaster. It is not the world's tallest and fastest launch coaster. No, but it is the world's tallest and fastest Intamin Blitz coaster for sure. 297 feet as a top height, over 7,000 feet in track length, and a whopping 100 miles an hour it hits. Now, what classifies a coaster as a Blitz coaster compared to just a regular launch coaster? Blitz is going to have at least 2 sections of different launches. So this ride starts out with an initial launch. It rolls right out of the station. Some Blitzes hold you, some go right into it. This initial launch launches just 0 to 6. Really like 20 to 65 because it's a powered through launch, and then it hits another launch section where you could actually tell in the game, I'm not sure when you get to it, but you could, when it brings you around to the second launch, where would have been the top hat, where the top hat would have stood for Kingda. So you get an idea of where Kingda was in the game, as well as where Green Lantern once stood. But I had a lot of fun creating this. Hopefully you guys have a lot of fun watching this. The new coaster is called Scream of the Green King. Scream of the Green King. I combined Scream Machine, Green Lantern, and Kingda all together into one name. So hopefully you guys enjoy. As always, first time to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe down below. Welcome to Theme Park Tempo.
Screaming down the track, yeah. Feel the wind whip through your hair. Eyes wide open, heart attack, yeah. No time to breathe, you don't dare. Green King sitting mighty tall. Oh, he puts Kingda to shame. Lantern's light forever dim, 'cause this beats the real game. Scream of the Green King.
that's going to be a wrap today, guys, here from Theme Park Tempo. Hopefully you guys enjoyed Scream of the Green King, my new hopeful maybe what's going to be taking place, an Intamin Blitz coaster coming to Six Flags Great Adventure. It would be great. It would be fun. Definitely I want, hopefully soon they tell us what's going in the spot there, because I'm really looking forward and excited to seeing what's next in Great Adventure, especially since it's back to be my home park again. As always, guys, first time to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe down below. Until then, we'll catch you guys next time.
Theme Park Tempo, loving every ride. Theme Park Tempo, feel the thrill inside. Theme Tempo, stream it every night. Theme Park Tempo, stop, beat, ride the light.